I've got a secret for you. Come closer. Mashed potatoes. They add great moisture and structure to breads, muffins, and cakes. Like my 4-tier German chocolate cake. Now, aside from the mashed potatoes, this cake starts like any other. I've got butter, I got sugar, and I got eggs. And now for my fluffy mashed potatoes. What's so German about a German chocolate cake, you might ask? Well, actually, not a thing. It's named after the English-American Samuel German, who was a chocolate maker. And now for my dry mixture. I love the combination of melted chocolate with the added richness of cocoa powder. Look at that! That looks so good. You would never know there are mashed potatoes in there. Speaking of mashed potatoes, sour cream goes really well with those. Now this might seem like a lot of cake batter, but I've got a lot of cake pans to fill. Now my cakes are cooling, but every good German chocolate cake needs a pecan and coconut custard. And if that wasn't enough, icing the cake with more chocolate. Today is all about surprise ingredients, like my chocolate cake with mashed potatoes, featuring a dreamy custard with pecans and coconut. So I start with melted butter, I get some sugar in there, and evaporated milk, which will help this thicken faster and has a lovely depth of flavor. I need egg yolks for my custard. And if you're a little bit nervous about separating the whites from the yolks, I have a very cool trick for you. Easy! The egg yolks help to thicken this custard. You know it's ready when the mixture coats the back of a spoon. Now this just needs to cool off a little bit. This chocolate mashed potato cake is so special, it gets a custard and a chocolate icing. Evaporated milk makes this frosting extra rich. I want to stack these cakes, so I need the tops to be really nice and level and flat. And for that, I always use a serrated knife. It is time to assemble my German chocolate cake. And don't forget, there are mashed potatoes in here. This pecan coconut custard goes in between every layer. So thick and rich and delicious. For a really flat top, you want to flip your last cake over. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge because remember, I've got that chocolate icing to decorate with. I'm just doing a really simple border to finish things off. Okay, one final thing. Whoa! This slice of cake's nearly bigger than I am. potatoes. But this cake is on a whole other level. Baking with surprise ingredients can be so much fun.